Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is one that was requested last 2 weeks ago from you guys, and it's about lashes. So as you can tell from my last video, I went to Primark and got some lashes, which I'm going to show you right now. The lashes are one Define for €1.50. There's natural for the same price. There's full look, same price. And the next one is this one, which is Tinkerbell, called Tinkerbell Dreamer, which I think is really cute and was going for as less as €1. Yeah, it was on discount from €3, and I thought, why not? The next one is this one, Girls with Attitude, Glamour for Sexy Stunning Lashes for €3.50. Okay, and the last but not least, for €6, this Suzanne Jackson, okay, a glam lash collection, which I think look amazing. Okay, so because I cannot try all of them today, I am going to try this one on one eye and this one on the other eye. Then I can tell from the feeling how that feels and which one is better. Yeah, so I'll quickly take you through whatever you need. Obviously you need your lashes. Yeah, you need your 4 lashes, an eyeliner, which I've already applied, as you can tell, so I don't need that myself right now. And the next thing you need is a mascara. Yeah, you need a mascara. I normally apply my mascara before applying the lashes. That way I don't need to apply my mascara on the lashes. Which means I'm going to reuse my lashes even more than when I apply mascara, because then I'll have to always clean them every time, reducing their lifespan, I guess. Yeah, or usage span. Then the other thing you need is a curler, which I already did before. Yeah, I curled my lashes before. Okay, like after using my eyeliner, I curled my natural lashes, and then after that you can now go in with the mascara. Then you need the lash glue, and then you need a tweezer. Last but not least, you need your mirror to see what you're doing, obviously. Okay, so I'm going to take out this lash first. Okay. The packaging is really cute in my opinion. I love the gold, and as you can see, they really try to protect the lash quite well. And here are your lashes. So this is how you know which lash goes where. You hold it like this, facing the other way, so you know that this lash is for the right eye and this one is for the left. And how to take it off the packaging: use your tweezer or your fingers, but take the edge of the lash like that and carefully pull it out. Okay, be very gentle so you don't spoil the lash altogether. And there you have your lash. Looks like that. Wow, wow, I love it. Okay, so what you do next is hold the lash onto your eye to see if it is your size. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, from what I can tell is that I do not need to cut the lash. It fits my eye. But if your eye is smaller and you're going to have some extra length to it, then you need to take your scissors and carefully cut off the bit that you do not need, the extra, and cut it from the end. I don't know if you can see. You cut from down here from the lash line, okay? You cut from the lash line the bit that you will not require, but I'm not going to cut mine because mine fits. Apply your lash glue. I'm using the Duo, which is in a dark tone. It's kind of grayish, but it dries down black. So I apply my lash glue directly from the tube. Not too much, just enough. It's important to have the glue on the edges because those are the first spots where it, where it doesn't stick properly. Now you have our glue on, so we're going to wait a few seconds, about 30 seconds, for it to get a little bit tacky, and then you can place it on your lash line. So what I do from here is take my mirror and look at it from down here. Okay, so if you see me looking down, I'm looking into my mirror at an angle so I can see what I'm doing. So you want to start in the middle. Okay, do not place your lash way too far in the inner corner because it's going to irritate your eye. So kind of start a bit further out. So get the corners now. Try to stick your own lashes and the faux lash together like this. Lift up the lash like so. So the first eyelash is on, as you can see. So mine starts at this point and ends over there at the end. That is also the other advantage of using eyeliner, because you cannot really tell that, okay, like imagine if there was no eyeliner right here, so you would actually automatically be able to tell that someone is wearing a faux lash. Okay, so when you have the eyeliner, it seems like they are your own eyelashes and they begin from here to the end. Okay, so I'm now going to take this other eyelash for the other eye just to test out. This one comes with a glue lash, the other one for €6 doesn't. Now this one is hard to tell now which one is for which side. You just have to look where it's shorter, and the shorter side obviously goes in the inner corner. This one is interesting. It has an sort of invisible lash line like this. Moving it a bit just to make it a bit more flexible. So I think the length is fine as well, so I apply my glue. I have to remove this stick-on glue that was already there because it's disturbing me. Here is my lash with the glue on, so I'm waiting for it to get tacky and then I'm going to put it on. Yeah, I can already tell these two are gonna look different. The other one is more glamorous. They're both synthetic, by the way. I start in the middle like that. Fix the front or the back, whichever comes first, and the end. I mean, this one is more dense than this, but it's not bad. Like, for the price, kind of like I don't feel anything. Like, I don't even feel this one either, but this one is a bit more light, a bit more lighter, and raising them up a bit like that, and I think we're ready. Okay, so this is the final look with the lashes. €6, €1.50. I'm going to leave them on for a bit, and then later on I will come on back and tell you, you know, like we can check and see the difference in feel. But as of now, they both feel light, and the application in both was easy. I definitely think that this one already looks more expensive than this one. This one is more dense than this one. Here I am, guys, 5 hours later with the lashes. I mean, I haven't felt any irritation on both sides. They're both comfortable, they're both light. I can't feel either of them. But definitely we can all tell that this side, which is the one for €6, it's like a bit more dense, a bit more fuller. Looks to me even a bit more natural than this one, because this one seems kind of spaced out, but it's also cute. But this one wins definitely, that the one for €6. I really cannot feel the lash. That's how comfortable it actually feels. That is it for this video, and I hope you enjoy. See you on my next one. Bye.